Hello, we're heading to Vancouver. I don't think we're gonna reach the whole way because this only has 1 hour of battery. Hi Gauri.
Hi.
Where are we going?
We're going to meet Param in Vancouver.
Yay! We're here waiting for Smriti, who is getting her coffee. Now I know what took so long. We're on the way. We'll be there in 2 hours. Woohoo!
The trees are actually the only thing.
And there might be an opening here. Sunlight is there.
Beautiful lake. Wow. We are in Canada.
Oh,
Canada. Oh, sports car. Is it Rohit? It's not. Hi guys, how do you feel like being in Canada?
Oh, Canada.
A true patriot.
Oh, Canada. You have to come to Canada. Yeah,
Oh, Canada. I'm scared about how we'll go back, but we reached here.
Where's your just chill with Param?
Hey, no. I'm gonna go to my own house.
Yeah, dude, I just went there.
No, I want it to be candid.
Hey, okay, fine. Kid versus cat. Kid versus cat.
No, I want the conversation to be part of the video.
Years.
Oh shit, I didn't record any of that.
In Boston.
Yeah.
No, don't focus on the car. Look at those mountains. We're in the beautiful city of Vancouver. I don't know if we're in Vancouver yet. We just left Surrey. That's, I think, Vancouver. And those are the mountains. And that's Smriti. A very white person thing to say. Ooh. We found a street full of cherry blossoms. Hi, dear.
Hi.
What's your
Hi,
name?
Annie. This is your Audi.
And this is our special guest. It's the Raju. We're at a coffee shop in Vancouver.
Yes.
And wow, Winda, you look like an angel with the light behind you.
I'm gonna leave early. I need to go drop off Ani at his car. His car's further away.
Whoa, that looks so cool.
It's a really cute, like, together.
Ah, wow.
Oh, 3, 2, 1. That's adorable. So cute. Hi vlog, this is day 1 of Vancouver. I will be your host as we go through this trip, so you'll be seeing a lot of tips from me, hopefully.
Hi, Raji.
Wow.
What's up? What's going on?
Straight from Zurich to America to Vancouver, Canada.
All the way to Hawaii. Honolulu.
We're in Hawaii.
Quite a bit far.
See these models. Raji, do your hair flip again. Oh! Hi, Param. Hi, Vishwal.
Hi, you guys made it.
Yeah, we made it.
Wait, also
How
look
was
at
your ice
this
cream?
haircut. Like a,
Vishwal, give a 360 turn.
yeah.
Slay. Param, you do an outfit 360. What are your thoughts on everyone coming to Vancouver?
Headache has already begun, you know. Migraine incoming. You know.
Asses.
What is with this caravanner? Huge. Caravanner.
Carabiner.
Carabiner. Oh, I didn't know that. Carabiner. Yeah, what is why?
I'm climbing, bro. Gotta get into the. Yeah, you can.
No pull-ups on it.
I mean, this will break probably. It's on the condition, but you can try.
Rajiv, I'll ask you a question.
Finally,
Okay.
he gets
Do you like being in Vancouver?
I do. Yes, it's beautiful.
What do you like about it, Param?
Yes, but Vancouver is.
That's so romantic.
Wow.
Is that what you like about Vancouver?
No, I love that. Yeah, Vancouver is beautiful. There was that one street where like everything was just one floor. So
interesting vibes.
Everything was what?
Just one floor. It was just this tall. That's it.
That's what you like about it?
It's new. It's a personality. You understand the city by its architecture, you know. So
Look at Param's face.
it's good. There's also ramen dangoyu.
Oh, that's
So,
obviously very important.
Good
yeah.
hallmark of a good city.
Yeah, I
One
agree.
might say.
I agree.
But you have some place to eat.
We're going to hide them. We're going to hide and scare them. Whoa!
Wait, stop! Get helping! I can't.
It is gross. It's also freezing.
On the camera. Hi!
MTV!
MTV. Welcome to my crib. This is the second one. I went out of the country for this one because, you know, I just gotta splurge with these tariffs and shit. This is what we gotta get. Look at my homies. These are who we live with.
Roomies!
This is giving the same energy. Remember we were on Cannon Beach?
That's
It's like,
literally
I
what
love
we're
energy.
recreating.
As you can tell, one of them is a little slow, but he's catching up, and I'm proud of him.
This is my career.
See, look, he's still
This
working
is
his way
the
there.
slow one. Okay, penguin run time.
Do it. This is why I keep them around.
Your little piece.
Yeah,
You guys look like Roombas.
Wait, just put on the log.
Pretty good, pretty good.
I don't even know what I took.
Baran, run like you're on Baywatch.
Oh shit! Run
No,
like you're
if
in
you
Baywatch.
Baywatch has to strip.
Nothing. Yeah, fair enough.
I kind of got a
Yo. Strip. Cop out.
Battery over.
Just like that at home.
Big Mac.
Shatabdi has to try not to laugh. And you have to make her laugh. Hi, Kali. Beer dance again.
This looks like some Shin-chan dance. Hello.
Lungi dance, lungi dance, lungi dance, lungi dance, lungi dance. It's day 2 of Vancouver, and we're getting coffee. All these folks are deciding what to get. I have a monkey.
Monkey?
At some point of time. Wait, how did you lose them? You followed. You need to follow them.
Wait, let's go in the water. There are waves anyway.
I don't know.
Wait, or we should like. Wait, the rocks are kind of gross here. You're actually helping.
They're doing some stuff there. I don't know what they're doing. Oh, can I film it?
Okay, well there's only half of it left.
Can you do it? I guess Smithy's wishes aren't coming true.
Oh no!
Yep, I don't know what to tell you. Okay. Well, pal, that's not how dandelions work.
No. Rajiv.
I can see your heart sweeter through my glasses.
Oh. We're in the same team.
That's
Oh, let's put it back on real quick.
Other people can.
Ah,
If I
okay.
can, other country they
What'd you get?
This guy right here.
A little courage.
Mango juice.
Talk to the road.
Annie, what did you get?
Fruity. Same thing that Smriti got, which is chocolate hazelnut and Hong Kong milk tea. Pretty good.
Linda, what did you get?
I got a stracciatella.
Red light. You see the
Literally,
red light there?
ask
Cynthia got the
Rodney.
same
I
order
literally
as
said the
Ani.
same thing. Oh, sorry.
Vishnu is on his phone.
Not anymore.
Queen. We're trying to do a photo shoot for
Body has to turn that
Ani.
way, and then your face
And
has
there's
to
like 50 people giving him directions on how to
But
pose.
don't look at me. Look at
Gauri, what are your thoughts? What did you do?
I think Ani poses so well,
Oh.
but I don't know if the directions are that good. Like I think one of them was like some like ass touching.
Why did you go smell her head just now? I saw it on camera.
Some weird guy.
Oh, I just came close. I didn't smell
This
her.
guy is a creep. Okay, Vishnu, teach Ani how to pose.
Stand, look up the sky, turn around.
Oh.
But I don't have the shirt to
You got a sleeve, Vishnu.
It's like you're working in your hand.
What are your thoughts on Michelle's haircut?
Flip it back.
I think Vishnu's haircut looks so slay. Vishnu,
Given by none other than Gauri.
slay!
Contact for barber services. 1-800 Gauri. I'll do it. Okay, this and all I don't have. I don't have to.
You got me drinking my
Oh, did you want some pictures too?
I don't know if I do. Do it again.
Razel, come on.
Now we're heading back home. We have